What's up, Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher in Michigan. Welcome to my channel. We're trying to help kids fall in love with reading. Today we are doing a Kid-Lit book mail video where I open up the packages sent to me by publishers. You see, try to open it. Oh, that's fun. How, if we can add something awesome to our to-read list that we can add to our classrooms and our libraries. Start with these first couple of packages and see what we have. All right, starting off with Juneteenth. This one is from the HarperCollins imprint Versify. It looks beautiful. Wow, look at that. Juneteenth. Next up, What My Daddy Loves. Beautiful cover. Oh, wow. Looking forward to reading that one. Only Marisol Rainey, Aaron and Trotta Kelly. It's newest book in this awesome series. The Unstoppable Bridget Bloom. Looks like a young adult book. Looks like a little nonfiction here. Visual stories from our dynamic history. Cool. The Guitarista. Oh, that's fun. Look inside. Get after it. Let's go. We are Branches from the Call the Colorado list. You know she can draw. She can draw. Dang, look at that. So beautiful. Wow. Very excited to read that. We Are a Song. Oh, that's a cool title. Look at that. Beautiful books here. Ooh, this is cool. Check out this. Check this out. Oh my gosh. I don't think, is that beautiful? What? Okay. Let's look inside. Oh, sorry, that's beautiful. Oh. Look at this nonfiction. Let's go. It says right here, the Burmese star tortoise on front jacket is life-size. That's cool. And then the New Fergus and Zeke for president. New Fergus and Zeke for president. Kate Messner, Heather Ross. Fun early reader, early chapter book series. Just look at that. Just look at that. Looks like this is book 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very exciting. Off to a great start, y'all. Dump it out and then put it back together. Some papers. We don't really read press releases here. Got a little of that Magna. I'll never say it right. Kids always tell me to do it wrong. Treasury of Tales for 5-year-olds. The World's Best Dad. Aw, thanks. Frida. Picasso. Amelia Earhart. One biography series. Little People, Big Dreams, Secret Life of Oceans. Oh, this is a big one. Round and Round Mother Nature. 48 stories of life cycles around the world. Well, that's cool. So like each spread is a life cycle. I'm guessing dandelion. Wheat. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, let's just flip to another one. Glacier. Oh, that's really cool. That's really, really neat. Anti-racist art activities for kids. Well, that's awesome. We got Unicorn Most Wanted, but then it's crossed off and says Unicorn Not Wanted. Unicorns are not allowed in this book, it says on the back. All right, see what we have. We're very behind in book mail, so hopefully we get caught up. Oh, I've been wanting to read this. Min Lay, one of my favorite humans, wrote this book. Riasa Figueroa. Sorry. See, when I do like a book talk video, I always like look up. I usually go to teachingbooks.net and learn how to say the creator's name. So if I say more about this, I'll make sure I look up this illustrator's name and how to say it correctly, because that's not cool. Because this illustrator can draw. It's gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. Let's go. All right, what do we have here? Hold off on that one. Take some of these bigger ones. My pile is not so overwhelming. Ooh, I see a graphic novel. I got kids are gonna be excited about. It's a huge box for one book. Here's what it is. Surprisingly, Sarah, you've probably seen all of these, right? Dang, look how big it is. Surprisingly, Sarah. That's very exciting. Secret Surprises, middle school. Sarah and Leo have been best friends since they were little. They share everything until Sarah starts crushing on Leo's best friend, Ben. Then one day, Sarah is suddenly faced with a big choice. Ask Ben to the school dance or check it out. Read to find out. Surprisingly, Sarah. Sounds awesome. All right. Let's go. Friends, there's some reading. We've got some reading to do. Just finished an awesome book by Elaine Vickers. Can I open one of these? We Are One. Looks cool. Look. It's like the same creator in this one as in this one. One of them. Huh. Definitely need to learn how to say that name. Oh, I feel like a jerk. All right. Oh, it's hard to open. The Labors of Hercules Beale by Gary D. Smith. Wednesday Wars. Okay for Now. Orbiting Jupiter. One of the greatest writers of our time. And he just lives like an hour and a half from here. In Michigan. That's really exciting. Gary's such a good dude. One of the best people I've ever met. I had a chance to interview him once for the Iron Podcast. Wow. Phenomenal. All right, what do we drop? A couple books here. Hoople's Honey Bee Box. Oh, that sounds cool. I always want to learn more about honey. We have this no mow May going on in Michigan. And my yard is looking no good. Mimo and the Unexpected Gift. Oh, God. That's exciting. There, guys, we got some great books to read. Got some great books to read. Let's see what we have here. The Biggest Mistake. These are some advanced copies of picture books. It says a tongue-in-cheek tale about failure, success, and the dangers of assumptions. Sounds important. Later When I'm Big. Aww. A playful, humorous look at being small but dreaming big. That sounds great. I'm so excited. That if you've seen anything that looks good, let me know in the comments which one of these books you're adding to your to-do list. Honestly, that life cycle book, I'm glad I opened it up because that looks really awesome. Okay, so what do we have here? Enough Is. Jessica Whipple, I finally got your book. Jessica sent me this book, and it didn't come, and it didn't come, and it didn't come. And then I didn't open very many boxes for a while, so I'm very excited to read this. She seems like a really good human. How do you find enough? Look for it somewhere between a little and a lot. Adam Rex likes it. We like Adam Rex. Okay, open the Simon package. This big hearty package here. My right-handed scissors. Oh. My friend published this book. His name is Jared. I just actually bought this book, which is super fun. And I have, let's tell you what it is, A Work in Progress by Jared Lerner. And it's got like a little quote from me in there. So I said, I quote myself, every kid that I have ever taught would find something for their hearts in a work in progress. This book truly is for every reader. I agree with that. Let me put my friend Pernille's quote on the back. But check it out. It's an illustrated novel in verse. And it's about this awesome kid named Nick Fisher, who someone calls him fat, and just how that affects him for a very long time. And this is it was kind of like based on an experience, the experiences of Jared growing up. So, little note here. Said wanted to be one of the first to get a final copy. Jared, I already bought a final copy. Let's go. I love this book so much. Very exciting. Very exciting. Very exciting. All right, let's do a couple more packages. 2 more packages, and then we'll call this one good. And then on to the next time. We'll do some more. Okay, Control Freaks by J.E. Thomas. Wayside School meets Loopy Wong Won't Dance. Oh, wow. J.A. Thomas's middle grade novel, Control Freaks, follows a diverse group of preteens working together as a team on a roller coaster quest for their school's inaugural STEAM competition. And these L.Q. Levine Corrido books, this publisher, they just like publish just bangers. So really awesome books. Ancient Night by David L. Gross. And then Last Flight. This was like I read this one when it was like a fold and gather, an advanced copy, and it's like the last flight out of Vietnam as the war was ending, and they're trying to get as many people, like even like more than they probably should have on a flight. It's really interesting. So that's great. One more. Let's do this little gem from Candlewick here. Let's see what we have in store. Oh, it's got a little picture. Oh, you know, got a Gary Smith book. Kate DiCamillo, The Puppets of Spellhorst. What do you say about a new book from Kate DiCamillo? Look at the size. It's very short. It is approximately a little less than 150 pages. It's very exciting, friends. Like, what can Kate DiCamillo do in 150 pages? Discover the wonder of a land called Normandy in this beautiful packaged gift volume. The first in a series of stories perfect for savoring alone or for reading aloud and sharing with those you love. Seriously, don't you feel like Kate DiCamillo's at that stage and has been in her career where she can just do whatever she wants? And her publisher Candlewick's gotta be like, yep, I'm sure it's brilliant, Kate. Let's publish it. Because one day she had an idea for like a pig that likes buttered toast. They're like, sure, Kate, whatever. And boom, when you publish 2 Newbery Medal winning books, and Because of Winn-Dixie Newbery Honor winning book, and like Edward Tulane, which for many people is their favorite DiCamillo book of all time. You get to do fun things like this and blow our socks off and win medals and honors. Let's go. So many good books. I hope you found something great to add to your to-read list. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Colby Sharp. I hope you have an awesome-tastic